Okay, yo, but we gotta take grip out because it's way too grippy for the power. The grip is unreal what you have, seriously.
Yeah.
We have to definitely take grip out.
Sway bar, definitely.
Yeah, but even more pressure or different tires. You have to run more of the Ardents, I think.
Yeah.
You don't have the power yet to run these tires, but yo, like really, really awesome. At the points where you're doing like full send and clutch kicking at angle, and it's like you have the power and it's like screaming.
Yeah.
And we're coming around that cone screaming.
Like,
Yeah, awesome. Really, really, really good. I'm really impressed, honestly. Really, really impressed, really.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, it's so awesome. I love that. It's really, really fun.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, no, not bad at all. Especially for you just getting started. Like,